we distinguish between a linear partial differential equation and a non-linear partial differential equation? In the equation, which is a partial differential equation given, if you find that the dependent variable and its partial derivatives occur in product form, that is, if z is the dependent variable depending on the independent variables x and y, and it has partial derivatives dou z by dou x and dou z by dou y. If z into dou z by dou y, or z into dou square z by dou x square, or z into dou z by dou x, or z into dou z by dou x into dou z by dou y, if such format terms exist, they do not come under the category of linear partial differential equation. Whenever the power of the dependent variable z is more than 1, also if the dependent variable occur in product format along with the partial derivatives, then they come under the category of non-linear partial differential equation. Let's look at some examples. Here the first equation, xy into dou square z by dou x square plus xy square into dou z by dou y equals x square plus y square, is linear partial differential equation because here the power of z is 0. There are no terms in this equation having z. So the power of z is 0. Also there are no terms occurring in the format of product of dependent variable z and its partial derivatives. Here xy square plus y square are all terms of independent variables. Thus we have this equation is a linear partial differential equation. The Laplace equation dou square u by dou x square plus dou square u by dou y square equals 0 has u as the dependent variable and none of its partial derivatives occur in product format along with the dependent variable u, and hence this is an example for linear partial differential equation. Also in Laplace equation the power of dependent variable u is 0 because dou square u by dou x square plus dou square u by dou y square equals 0 has LHS which has no terms of u, only partial derivative expressions occur in LHS. Second order partial derivatives are only the terms present in LHS for Laplace equation. So Laplace equation is also an example for linear partial differential equation. Another example that can be discussed is heat equation. Here also you can see that u is the dependent variable and u depends on independent variables t and x respectively. Here there are no terms such that product of dependent variable and its partial derivatives occur, and here again you can see that the power of dependent variable u is 0. Hence this also come under the category of linear partial differential equation. Consider the first equation. Here you can see that the power of dependent variable in this equation is 1 because z is the dependent variable. Here there are no terms which occur in the product format of product of dependent variable z and its partial derivatives. Still it is non-linear partial differential equation because the partial derivative dou z by dou x is having power 2. If its power was 0 or 1, then it would have come under the category of linear partial differential equation. Since the partial derivative of the dependent variable is having power more than 1, this is classified as non-linear partial differential equation. For the second question, we are having dou z by dou x into dou z by dou y term, because of which this becomes non-linear partial differential equation because the partial derivatives of the dependent variable occur in product format. This particular term makes this a non-linear partial differential equation. In the third equation, the power of z, which is the dependent variable, is more than 2. Since the power of z is 2, we classify this third equation also as non-linear partial differential equation. Regarding the fourth equation, you can see that the dependent variable z occurs in product format with one of its partial derivatives, and this particular term makes it non-linear partial differential equation.